Earth is a masterpiece of cosmic engineering, a blue sanctuary in a silent, violent void. But even the grandest masterpieces are subject to decay. Whether it's a stray asteroid, a solar flare, or the inevitable exhaustion of our own world, there may come a day when we must trade our cradle for a frontier that doesn't want us. Looking for a new home in the solar system is like shopping for a sanctuary in a neighborhood of monsters, leaving us with three radical choices, each cloaked in mystery and a terrifying price tag. Will you choose the dead, rusted silence of a frozen desert, the golden clouds of a toxic furnace, or the dark, methane shores of a distant moon? Today, we peel back the layers of the cosmos to see where humanity will make its final, desperate stand. Mars is our first and most haunting candidate. A world that once bled blue with water, but now lies frozen in a rusted, crimson silence. It is the only place we can truly touch, offering a familiar 24-hour day. Yet beneath its red dust lies a grim reality. Mars is a planetary graveyard where low gravity slowly melts your muscles and turns your bones into fragile glass. Without a magnetic shield, the sun's invisible radiation shreds your DNA like microscopic bullets, forcing us to abandon the surface and live like high-tech ghosts in the dark, buried deep within ancient lava tubes and sunless tunnels. It is the emergency bunker of the solar system, a place of survival and cold stone, where you might never see a blue sky again, and the wind only carries the echoes of a dead world. Venus is Earth's evil twin, a masterpiece of atmospheric horror where the surface is a crushing, supercritical ocean of CO2 that behaves more like a liquid than a gas. A place so heavy it would crush a nuclear submarine like a soda can. Yet, if you rise 50 kilometers above this hellscape, the horror transforms into an eerie, impossible serenity. Here, in the golden haze, the pressure and gravity are hauntingly Earth-like, allowing us to build massive, shimmering, floating cities that drift like celestial ghosts above a sea of fire. In this strange realm, the very air we breathe, nitrogen and oxygen, acts as a lifting gas, meaning our massive habitats would float effortlessly, held aloft by the breath of their inhabitants. Imagine a life lived in a permanent amber glow, where gargantuan sanctuaries are swept around the planet every 4 days by super-rotating winds, dancing above lightning bolts that stretch for miles but never touch the ground. It is the luxury suite of the cosmos, a beautiful, floating dream suspended between the vacuum of space and a 1,000-mile fall into the furnace below. For those who seek the ultimate mystery, we must travel to the outer rim, to Saturn's moon Titan, a dark, cold world veiled in a thick, nitrogen mist that hides a landscape of alien magic. Titan is the only place in the heavens besides Earth with stable liquid on its surface, but here, the rain is chemical fuel and the oceans are freezing methane. In this world of minus 180 degrees, the laws of nature are turned upside down. Water does not flow, but freezes into rock-hard granite, forming jagged mountains of ice, while volcanoes erupt with freezing slush and ammonia instead of fire. Because the gravity is so weak and the atmosphere so dense, a human could simply strap on artificial wings and soar through the orange sky like a bird of myth, turning the thick air into a sea you can swim through. It is the explorer's cabin, a realm of eternal twilight, offering the surreal gift of flight in a land where the air is thick with the secrets of the deep universe, and humanity could finally break the chains of gravity to claim the sky as its own. When the stars finally call us home, where will you go? The silent underground toil of Martian caves, where survival is daily defiance against death. The golden elegance of Venusian clouds, where luxury floats on a razor's edge above hell. Or the dark-winged freedom of Titan shores, where humanity finally flies but embraces eternal twilight. Humanity was never meant for one planet. We emerged from cosmic dust with restlessness in our DNA, born to pioneer the abyss. Our next home won't just be shelter, but a statement of who we become facing extinction. Underground survivors gazing at unreachable skies? Sky dancers suspended between voids? Or alien explorers soaring on wings we built ourselves? Each world offers a different vision. Mars whispers endurance, Venus promises beauty entwined with danger, Titan offers transformation and the cold embrace of the alien. Perhaps the real question isn't which to choose, but whether any desperate sanctuary can be called home, or if home must be invented, rebuilt, redefined. Perhaps we'll need all three, each branch of humanity evolving separately until we're strangers to each other. Or perhaps there's a fourth option waiting in the darkness between worlds. Something we haven't yet imagined. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to subscribe to the Cosmosaga channel.